दिल्लीમાં ઉડારે ગુલાલ ગુલાબી રંગ કેસરિયા.
Exercise 8.1. Question number 8. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check this one. And it is not said what is A. Means take right angle triangle. It is not said, but we will take an triangle. This will be 90 degree, and this will be A angle, and this will be B, and this will be C. So all the triangles about all the things about the A, not about C. Okay. So the for A, this will be base. This will be hypotenuse, and for A, this will be hypotenuse and this will be base. This will be perpendicular. And what about the definition? Pakistan bhukha pyasa, Hindustan hara bhara. This, and after that it was sine, this cos, then tan, and the inverse of that, this cot, cos sec, after that cos sec. So cot means base by perpendicular. So it is given here 3 cot A is equal to 4, means cot A is equal to 4 by 3, and cot A definition, base by perpendicular. So you can write base by perpendicular, this. So base you may have 4k and perpendicular k. Why k is multiplied? I have told in a video 4. So base is 4k. Base is equal to 4k k, and perpendicular is equal to 3k. So base is equal to, this is 4k and perpendicular is 3, this is 3k. So what about the hypotenuse? Pythagoras theorem. So apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. Base is equal to 4k square plus 3k square. You will solve, you will get h is equal to 5k, because 3, 4, 5. If anybody learns, because in the competition most of the questions are coming solved. There is no need to solve everything in objective question. So this will be very good for you if you take it. Okay. So now it is written, check whether 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square is equal to this. So check, actually what is given here, this is the formula. It will be taught in class 11th. What? 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. For this you would have to value tan. So tan value, tan is perpendicular by base. So for A, tan A perpendicular by base means 3 upon k. Cot, inverse of the cot, cot A is equal to 4 upon 3. This is 3 upon 4. Tan perpendicular by base, 3 upon 4. So solve this value. 1 minus 3 upon 4 to the whole square. 3 square upon 3 upon 4 to the whole square. Okay, write like this. 3 upon 4 to the whole square, then 1 plus 3 upon 4 to the whole square. You solve. 1 minus 9 is 9 upon 16. 16 minus 9, 7 upon 16. And that 16, 9, 25. So that's why 16 minus 9, 7 upon 16 plus 9, 25. 7 upon 25. This is. And then solve the value cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A. Oh yeah, I have raised the figure. Cos A sin A. Okay. So the figure was like this. Cot A. This was the A. This was 90 degree. Cot A. 4 by 3. Cot. Base by perpendicular. Base 4 by 3. 3, 4 and that was the 5. So cos A and sin A. Cos A. Cos. Base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse 4. 4 upon 5 to the square minus sin A. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. 3 upon 5 to the whole square. This is 7 upon 25. Both are equal. In the class 10th, you will be taught about this. This is the formula. In class 11, sorry. So note it. Note down it in your copy. Class 11th, this will be formula. This equal to this. You will take as a formula in class 11th. Here we have to prove it. Because it's not only for this equation, whatever be the value, whatever be the angle A of any triangle, this will be correct. Dear friends, this formula, this 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. You have proved it as practical terms. In just exercise 8.4, yes, in exercise 8.4, when you will solve exercise 8.4, you will be taught about some trigonometric formulas. That is page number in your book in NCERT, page number 190. There are some formulas. Let me write. That is 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. And that's enough. This there are three formulas. This the question which can be which has been proved with the help of examples 3k, 4k and 5k. But this is identity also, trigonometric identity. I will tell you in chapter number 4, exercise 8.4. You can prove it with the help of this formula. And another one, this tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A. This formula will be applied. And cos A into sec A means you say cos A into sec A is equal to 1. This comes from the definition. Cos and sec are inverse to each other. Cos A is equal to 1 upon sec A, or you may write sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A. And this is also from the definition. I will tell you tan A is equal to, because sin A, for this formula I have sin A is equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse whole divided by cos A is equal to what? Base upon hypotenuse. So this hypotenuse will be cancelled, and P by B, that is tan A. You know, so this is the tan A definition, P by B, and you write sin A P upon H, cos A B upon H. So H will be cancelled, P by B will be tan A. So this is also from the definition, and this is from the Pythagoras theorem. You know, this is Pythagoras theorem. I will tell you 1 plus tan square A, Pythagoras theorem. Just like I have used the Pythagoras theorem, na? But I will use this formula and this for the definition, these two formula, this. Why this is so? Because cos A is equal to base by hypotenuse multiply sec A, the inverse of this means hypotenuse upon base. So it will be cancelled out, na? And you will get 1. So these two formula from the definitions of trigonometric ratio, and this is the Pythagoras formula. So I have used Pythagoras here. Now I will use this formula to prove this equation. That will be in chapter number 8.4, and this is the full-fledged trigonometry. Here you have used Pythagoras, but Pythagoras in different form. 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square. So we will not use Pythagoras, and we will prove it. You check. This was the question, na? 1 minus tan square A. This was 1 minus tan square A whole divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. So I have used the definitions 3 upon 4k, right that, but you know, this is correct for any angle A, for any triangle. So this is called trigonometric identity, about which I will teach you in 8.4. So if this question comes in 8.4 and it is true for all the angles, all the triangles, so how will you prove it? We will use these two formulas as a definitions, 3 upon 4k, and this as a Pythagoras theorem. So I will take from the LHS. So this is LHS. I am going to solve. LHS is equal to, and we will prove it that this is the RHS. So first, Pythagoras theorem. This is 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. So 1 minus tan square A will be as it is, but 1 plus tan square A will be sec square A. After that, the separation of the fraction, 1 upon sec square A minus tan square A upon sec square A, separation of the fraction. 1 upon sec square A, this formula, sec square A is equal to 1 upon sec square A, 1 upon sec A is equal to cos A. This is cos square A, and this is what? Tan A upon sec A. You know, 1 upon sec means cos, tan square A, let me change tan square A as sin square A upon cos square A. This is I have used this one. So sin square A upon cos square A, and this sec square A. So this is sec square A. So cos square A and sec square A will be cancelled, and it will be 1. So you have got cos square A minus sin square A. This is. So in 8.4, if this question comes in the 8.4 exercise, then same questions, because it is trigonometric identity also. That is why it was able to be, you are able to prove it. So you will solve this type, the same question. I have used Pythagoras theorem here, this one, 1 plus tan square, Pythagoras theorem, and then definitions. These are the trigonometric definitions, and this is the Pythagoras theorem. in the class 11th when you will go, you will find this equal to one thing more is equal to cos of 2a in class 11th. Cos of 2a. 2a means if you place here a is equal to 30 degree, so this will be cos 60. Cos square a minus sin square a is equal to this. You can use the value. Okay, later I will prove it. Means in the class 11th you will find it. In class 11th, this is equal to this is equal to this for any angle a. Class 11th. Okay, so this was the magic of trigonometry, and I hope you will enjoy with me. So keep continue, see the video, and write your comments in the comment box, and obviously subscribe, share. Thank you.
દિલ્હીમાં ઉડાડે